Yes, sir.
Yesterday, due to heavy rain, the entire hill, which is just behind Damodar Chamber Society, the rocks came down, the hill collapsed, and there are stones all over here. You can see. We subsequently today we sent a notice to fire brigade, disaster management, Margao municipality. The fire brigade people came. They have seen the place, and they say it is very dangerous because if the entire hill collapses, it will bring pressure on all those buildings which are there just on top of Gold Star, of what is that? Altamont Society. So that is what we have to say. Some urgent action has to be taken by the disaster management people and the fire brigade.
So any damage to your building?
That is, this is our building.
So,
So far, there is no damage to the Damodar chamber. But if the entire hill collapses, it is really going to.
Stones have come and fallen on the
Yeah,
on that wall.
yeah, okay.
there are stones which have come on
Stones
there.
which have fallen on that wall.
And now
And this
because
is where I reside.
that is the
Yeah, okay.
advocate's office here, Mr.
I
Mario
reside
Pinto.
here.
Almeida.
Mr. Bert resides here.
And
they reside on the third
what could happen is, since there is now no retaining wall, nothing will be retained. And yellow, yeah, purple,
Orange.
orange
Alert.
alert has been. Anything can happen now because some 3 or 4 days is going to rain heavily.
Yeah.
That is why we started this thing of informing everybody.
So your good name?
My name is Maurice Kulasu.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.